Hello, this is Nick with Albert Air Conditioning, and today we are looking at a Carrier Slimline Variable Speed Condenser, the 38MURAQ. I am really excited to show you this video today because we have showed you the 3-ton version of this condenser, which is about half its size. This is the 5-ton version of that Slimline condenser that I showed you in the other video, and a lot of people have asked, what does it look like, how tall is it, what's the efficiency, rebate information, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to go through all that in this video. I'm going to show you everything about this installation, what it looks like, all that good stuff. So as always, please like this video, subscribe to my page, leave a comment in the section below. Let me know what you think of this condenser. Would this be something you're interested in? Is this something that would fit in your side yard? Is it better than a square unit? So let me know. So let's get right into it. So like I said, it's a 5-ton unit. Let's get into the dimensions right now. So the dimensions on this are going to be the same width and depth. So 37 inches width, 16 depth. So they're all going to be 37 by 16, but the height on this is 52 inches up to here. It sits on a 3-inch pad, so the pad is 3 inches tall, so plus the 52 makes it 55 inches total off the ground. The pad is 38 in width, and then the depth on the pad is 18 inches to fit this unit. So this is a 5-ton variable speed Slimline condenser, 38MURAQ. The efficiency on this unit is going to be about 15 SEER. In other sizes, they are different SEER values. So they go all the way from like 14.7 SEER up to 17.3 SEER, depending on which one you get. We replaced a 5-ton square unit, and this house has 2 systems. So this is the 5-ton. Right here is the 3-ton unit that we will be replacing next. So you can see how far that sticks out. You only got about 2.5 feet there, maybe 30 inches in between that unit to get by in the side yard, where this unit, the old unit, sat way out to here. We have a lot more space now so we can get by. It is extremely quiet compared to the old Carrier condenser that was here. That was in the high 80s in terms of decibels. This one is 61 decibels on the 5-ton unit, which makes it very, very quiet. We got bedrooms up there, so we want to make sure this is quiet. You also got a wall right here, so there's some reverberation of noise off that wall. Now, the other thing about this unit, a lot of people have asked questions are, well, when I look it up on Carrier, it says it's a heat pump. And that is true. It can be a heat pump. It can also be an AC condenser. It can also be a dual fuel unit. So there are many configurations. Different wiring would apply to those, and it is variable speed. So a lot of people ask, well, how do the variable speeds work on this unit? And basically this has temperature sensors and it has pressure sensors. So it will adjust its speeds depending on what those sensors are telling the system to do. So it doesn't always run at high speed. Right now it is. And you can hear those fans going. The 5-ton has 2 fans, unlike the 3-ton unit, which only has 1 fan. So this one, like I said, is pretty quiet still, 61 decibels. Most condensers, the old square ones, are in the high 80s. The other thing about this unit is that it does qualify for some rebates. A lot of people have been asking me about, well, which rebates are available now? What can I apply for? So obviously you would have to check on your local city rebates. Some cities do have rebates. Most of them don't, but some do, so check on those. And that would be your local contractor that would let you know that. Obviously, we're in Orange County, California, so we can let you know which cities have those rebates. Carrier gives you an instant cool cash rebate on this, and depending on what time of year it is, we have that cool cash rebate till the end of July, which is coming up pretty soon, because right now it's July 10th. So we have about another 20 so days to get those rebates in, but the rebates will differ. It depends on which furnace or fan coil you match it with, as well as what thermostat you put it with, or if you don't put a thermostat with it. So anywhere from $200 to about $500 would be the Carrier instant rebate on this unit. The tax credits for an AC condenser, so if this is matched with a gas furnace, which this one is, you would have to have a 16 SEER or higher system to get the tax credit. This one gets 15 SEER, so it would not qualify. But in the lower tonnages, 2.5, 2 tons, those do qualify for those rebates for the federal tax credit on the AC system. If you did a heat pump system, you would have to have a 15.2 SEER or higher heat pump system. So this would have to be matched with a fan coil, and you could possibly get up to $2,000 based on your income. Other rebates available, if you get city permits and you do a heat pump system with this system, you can get $1,000 from Clean Tech California. And then there's also a manufacturer rebate for Comfortably California, which ranges for different amounts depending on the tonnage of the system and what you match it with. That's all for the heat pumps. So if you're matching this with a fan coil inside and a heat pump condenser outside, lots of rebates available. Check with the efficiency and the tonnage to make sure you qualify. This unit is matched with a gas furnace, which is very common in Southern California. So we use gas for the heating and we use the condenser outside for the cooling. So this is that system's configuration, but this is a hybrid crossover unit. It can be matched with a fan coil and it can also be dual fuel. So there are lots of options. That's why this unit is so popular. So that kind of concludes the video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you like what it looks like. I think it's a very sleek design. The homeowner here walked outside and couldn't believe how quiet it was compared to her old unit. She's very happy with it, which is awesome, and that's what we wanted. This does fulfill a lot of people's needs. It's quiet, it's efficient, and it will fit in a side yard or in a backyard. And you know, it's also one of those units that actually looks pretty nice, I think. Especially in the 3-ton size, it's a little more compact. But even the 5-ton size, not too bad at all. I still think it looks great. So as always, please like this video, subscribe to my page, and if you have a comment, let me know. I'm happy to answer any of your questions. The last video I did on the 3-ton condenser, I probably had about 100 comments. I was trying to answer all of them, so I appreciate your feedback. And I'm happy to help with anything that you need answered. I know there's a lot of wiring questions and technical questions. I'll try to get those answered for you as well. Thank you very much, and please visit us at www.albertair.com, and thank you for watching.